In criminal law, one of the most important protections given to an accused person is the right to remain silent. But what does this actually mean? Can the accused stay silent during the entire trial? Or are there situations where they must speak? Let's understand. The right to remain silent means that an accused person cannot be forced to give self-incriminating statements. This is based on a fundamental legal principle. No one can be compelled to become a witness against themselves. During a criminal trial, the prosecution must prove the guilt of the accused. The burden of proof lies entirely on the prosecution. The accused is not required to prove their innocence. Because of this, the accused has the right to remain silent during questioning by police. They also have the right to remain silent during certain stages of the trial. However, there is one important stage where the court may ask questions directly to the accused. This is when the statement of the accused is recorded. At this stage, the court gives the accused an opportunity to explain the evidence against them. The accused may choose to answer, or they may choose to remain silent. Even if the accused remains silent, the court cannot treat silence as an admission of guilt. Silence does not mean acceptance. It simply means the accused has chosen not to respond. This right protects individuals from being pressured or coerced. It ensures that no one is forced to confess. At the same time, the accused must follow court procedures respectfully. They must appear when required. They must cooperate with lawful processes. Remaining silent does not mean refusing to participate in the trial. It only means not answering questions that may harm their defense. The law recognizes that everyone deserves protection from forced confession. This is a key part of a fair trial system. Understanding this right helps citizens know that the justice system protects both truth and individual freedom. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.